Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. If you're new here, my name is Gabriela Toledo. I make cooking and lifestyle videos. Today I will be making Arroz con Leche, also known as rice pudding. It's really simple, real quick, it's yummy, and stay tuned if you want to learn how to make it. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be putting my stove to medium. I'm going to be adding some milk. About halfway, a little bit less than halfway of this pan. I'm going to be filling the rest with water. Maybe halfway. I'm going to be adding evaporated low-fat milk. The whole thing, 1 can. About a full cup of rice. I'm not sure if this is considered a real cup, but a cup like this. And then a little bit more. I'm eyeballing everything. A bay leaf. 1 cinnamon stick. And you just let that cook until the rice cooks completely. A little advice, I would stir it every now and then so that way it doesn't stick. And then towards the end, you're gonna add some sweetened and condensed milk. I added this little thing because I don't like mine too sweet, but you can always add 2 of these or 1 of the bigger ones. It all depends on your sweetness that you prefer. And this is how it looks cooked. Hey guys, thank you for making it to the end of my video. If you like these kinds of videos and would like to see more, subscribe down below, give me a like, whatever you like, and thank you for watching. Bye.